Welcome back to Bike Lab, your trusted source for the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into the details of the 2026 Honda CB500, a highly anticipated model that blends practicality, modern styling, and an enhanced riding experience. Let's explore what sets this middleweight machine apart in the growing 500 cubic centimeters segment. A new era for the CB series. The 2026 Honda CB500 marks a significant leap in design and technology for Honda's mid-range lineup. Known for reliability and simplicity, the CB series now steps up with enhanced performance and a refined look that brings it closer to premium street fighter territory. Honda is clearly aiming to appeal to both new and experienced riders with this modernized package. Design and aesthetics. Honda has updated the CB500 styling to reflect more aggressive street fighter cues. With a sharper fuel tank design, revised LED headlight, and sport-inspired tail section, the bike looks more muscular and assertive. The compact frame enhances urban maneuverability while maintaining a bold stance. An overall cleaner, sharper aesthetic gives the CB500 a fresh identity that stands out on city streets and open highways. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda CB500 lies a refined 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. While maintaining the beloved balance of power and efficiency, this model has undergone subtle tuning to deliver smoother throttle response and increased torque in the mid-range. The engine now produces around 47 horsepower, making it ideal for A2 license holders and those who crave both city practicality and weekend fun. Honda has focused on improving fuel efficiency and emissions, aligning the CB500 with Euro 6 standards without sacrificing its spirited performance. Refined internal components ensure reduced vibration and better long-term durability. Chassis and handling. The 2026 CB500 features an upgraded lightweight steel diamond frame, improving rigidity while keeping the overall weight in check. Reduced mass and optimized geometry result in more agile cornering and stable high-speed performance. The handling is further enhanced by Showa 41mm upside-down front forks and a ProLink rear suspension, offering improved feedback and smoother ride quality. The braking system has been upgraded with dual front discs paired with two piston calipers, providing added stopping power and better modulation. ABS comes standard, offering confidence in unpredictable conditions. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the CB500 with several modern upgrades to keep up with the competition. A new full-color TFT display replaces the older LCD unit, offering better visibility and more information at a glance. Bluetooth connectivity is introduced, allowing smartphone pairing for navigation and notifications. Other notable features include assist and slipper clutch for smoother gear shifts. Full LED lighting system. Smart key ignition. Optional quick shifter. Adjustable levers for rider customization. These enhancements make the CB500 more rider-friendly and future-ready, appealing to tech-savvy riders. Ergonomics and comfort. Honda has always prioritized comfort in the CB series, and the 2026 model stays true to that tradition. With a neutral riding triangle and a seat height of approximately 785 mm, it caters to a wide range of rider heights. The seat padding has been improved for better long-distance support, and rubber-mounted handlebars diminish fatigue on longer rides. Wind protection is modest due to its naked setup, but optional screens and touring accessories are available to enhance highway comfort. Price and availability. While official pricing may vary by region, Honda aims to keep the CB500 competitively priced within the mid-range naked segment. Expect a slight premium over the previous model due to the added features and upgrades. The bike will be available in multiple color options and is expected to hit dealerships globally by mid-2026. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CB500 represents a balanced evolution of a much-loved platform. With its sharper looks, modern electronics, improved handling, and efficient power delivery, it's set to attract riders looking for a dependable yet thrilling mid-size machine. Whether you're a seasoned commuter or a new rider stepping up, the CB500 promises to be a smart and engaging choice. Thanks for tuning into Bike Lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle insights and reveals. Ride safe and stay curious.